Need to change the email address linked to your AirTalk wireless account? It's a straightforward process done entirely online. First, log into your account on the AirTalk wireless website at airtalkwireless.com or through their mobile app. Navigate to the Profile or Account Settings section. Then select Update Email. Enter your new email address carefully. AirTalk will then send a verification link to your new email. Click this link to confirm the change. This is a crucial security step. Once verified, your email is updated instantly, though billing notifications might take up to 48 hours to reflect the change. Remember to double-check the email format to avoid errors and ensure a smooth update. AirTalk Wireless employs mandatory two-factor authentication for email updates, adding an extra layer of security. This involves receiving a verification code via SMS and entering it to confirm your identity. It protects your account from unauthorized access and potential fraud. Keep your contact information updated for better security. Be aware of potential phishing attempts. Always access the official AirTalk website directly and never click on suspicious links. If you encounter any issues or delays, AirTalk offers 24/7 online support chat. Keeping your email current ensures you receive important account notifications and can recover your account if needed.